Today we shall discuss some multiple choice questions on abnormal molar masses. What amount of calcium chloride CaCl2? Value of I is given 2.471 is dissolved in 2 liters of water so that its osmotic pressure is 0.5 atmosphere at 28 degrees Celsius. Option A 4.42 gram, option B 8.24 gram, option C 6.834 gram, option D 1.817 gram. Osmotic pressure of solution pi is given 0.5 atmosphere. Molar mass of solute M2 for calcium chloride. Atomic weight of calcium 40 plus atomic weight of chlorine 35.5. 2 chlorine are there, multiplied by 2. So 40 plus 35.5 into 2 is equals to 111 gram per mole. Volume of solution V is nearly 2 liter. Van 't Hoff factor I is equals to 2.471. Temperature is given in degree Celsius, 28 degrees Celsius. In terms of Kelvin, it will be 301 Kelvin. Gas constant R is equals to 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. W2 mass of solute we have to find out. Apply the formula W2 is equals to pi M2 V divided by IRT. Substitute the values. You will get value 1.817 gram. Thus option D is correct. The Van 't Hoff factor of 0.005 molar aqueous solution of KCl is 1.96. The degree of ionization of KCl is option A 0.91, option B 0.98, option C 0.96, option D 0.99. KCl ionizes to give K plus and Cl minus. Since two ions are produced, K plus and Cl minus, two ions are produced. Therefore, value of N is equals to 2. Van 't Hoff factor I is given 1.96. Apply the formula of degree of dissociation. Alpha is equals to I minus 1 divided by N minus 1. Substitute the values. 1.96 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. Work out, you will get 0.96. Thus option C is correct. If alpha is the degree of dissociation of Na2SO4, the Van 't Hoff factor I used for calculating the molecular mass is option A 1 plus alpha, option B 1 minus alpha, option C 1 plus 2 alpha, option D 1 minus 2 alpha. Sodium sulfate Na2SO4 dissociates to give 2Na plus and SO4 2 minus ions. Since 3 ions are produced, 2 of sodium ions and 1 of sulfate ion. Therefore, value of N is equals to 3, and we have to find out the value of I Van 't Hoff factor. Apply the formula alpha is equals to I minus 1 divided by N minus 1. Substitute the values. I minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is equals to I minus 1 divided by 2. Rearrange. I minus 1 is equals to 2 alpha, or I is equals to 1 plus 2 alpha. Thus option C is correct. Van 't Hoff factor of centimolal solution of K3FeCN6 is 3.333. Calculate the percentage dissociation of K3FeCN6. Option A 33.33, option B 0.78, option C 78, option D 23.33. K3FeCN6 dissociates to give 3 K plus ions and 1 ferricyanide ion. So thus number of ions is equals to 3 plus 1, that is 4. So value of N is equals to 4. Value of I Van 't Hoff factor is given 3.333. Percentage dissociation we have to find out. Apply the formula alpha is equals to I minus 1 divided by N minus 1. Substitute the values. 3.333 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 1. Work out, you will get 0.777. Percentage of dissociation is equals to alpha into 100. Therefore 0.777 into 100 is equals to 77.7. Thus option C is correct. Acetic acid dissolved in benzene shows the molecular weight of option A 60, option B 120, option C 180, Option D 240. Molecular weight of acetic acid CH3COOH for 2 carbon atoms 12 into 2 plus for 4 hydrogen atoms 1 into 4 plus for 2 oxygen atoms 16 into 2. Together it becomes 60. Acetic acid when dissolved in benzene dimerizes. Therefore colligative property reduces to half and observed molar mass becomes double of the normal molar mass. Thus 60 into 2 is equals to 120. Therefore option B is correct. The molecular weight of benzoic acid in benzene as determined by depression in freezing point method corresponds to option A ionization of benzoic acid, option B dimerization of benzoic acid, option C trimerization of benzoic acid, option D solvation of benzoic acid. Benzoic acid dimerizes in benzene due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Thus option B is correct. The molecular mass of acetic acid dissolved in water is 60 and when dissolved in benzene it is 120. This difference in behavior of acetic acid is because option A water prevents association of acetic acid, option B acetic acid does not fully dissolve in water, option C acetic acid fully dissolves in benzene, option D acetic acid does not ionize in benzene. Water forms hydrogen bonding with acetic acid and prevents its dimerization. In benzene, acetic acid forms dimer, hence molecular weight is 120. Thus, option A is correct. The molar mass of the solute sodium hydroxide obtained from the measurement of the osmotic pressure of its aqueous solution at 27 degrees Celsius is 25 gram per mole. Therefore, its ionization percentage in this solution is option A 75, option B 60, option C 80, option D 70. Normal molar mass of NaOH 23 plus 16 plus 1 is equals to 40 gram per mole. Abnormal molar mass of NaOH is given 25 gram per mole. NaOH dissociates to give Na plus and OH minus. 2 ions are produced. Since 2 ions are produced, value of Na is 2. First we will find out alpha. Apply the formula of I. I is equals to normal molar mass divided by abnormal molar mass. Substitute the values. 40 divided by 25 is equals to 1.6. Apply the formula of alpha. Alpha is equals to I minus 1 divided by n minus 1. Substitute the values, you will get 0.6. Percentage of ionization is equals to alpha into 100. So that is 0.6 into 100 is equal to 60%. Thus option B is correct. The observed molecular mass of benzoic acid when dissolved in benzene is option A 122, option B 244, option C 60, option D 120. Benzoic acid when dissolved in benzene undergoes dimerization. Thus colligative property reduces to half and molecular mass doubles. Therefore, observed molecular mass of benzoic acid is equals to 2 into normal molar mass. Molar mass of benzoic acid C6H5COOH. Here we have 7 carbon atoms, there for that 12 into 7 plus we have 6 hydrogen atoms, for that 1 into 6 plus we have 2 oxygen atoms, for that 16 into 2. Together it becomes 122. Therefore, observed molecular mass of benzoic acid is equals to 2 into 122, that is 244. Thus option B is correct. The degree of dissociation alpha of a weak electrolyte AXBY is related to the Van't Hoff factor I by the expression option A alpha is equals to I minus 1 divided by x plus y minus 1. Option B alpha is equals to I minus 1 divided by x plus y plus 1. Option C alpha is equals to x plus y minus 1 divided by I minus 1. Option D alpha is equals to x plus y plus 1 divided by I minus 1. AXBY dissociates to give x number of A y plus ions and y number of B x minus ions. Therefore, value of n is equals to x plus y. Formula of alpha. Alpha is equals to I minus 1 divided by n minus 1. Substitute the value of n, that is x plus y. We will get alpha is equals to I minus 1 divided by x plus y minus 1. Thus option A is correct. The Van't Hoff factor for 0.1 molar barium nitrate solution is 2.74. The degree of dissociation is option A 91.3%, option B 87%, option C 100%, option D 74%. Barium nitrate dissociates to give barium ion Ba2 plus and 2 nitrate ions NO3 minus. Thus value of n, 1 barium and 2 nitrate, 1 plus 2, 3. Value of n is 3. Van't Hoff factor I is equals to 2.74 given. First we will find out alpha, then percentage of dissociation. Alpha is equals to I minus 1 divided by n minus 1. Substitute the values. We will get 0.87. Percentage of dissociation is equals to alpha into 100. That is 0.87 into 100 is equals to 87%. Thus option B is correct. A 0.04 molar solution of Na2SO4 is isotonic with a 0.01 molar solution of glucose at the same temperature. The apparent degree of dissociation of Na2SO4 is option A 25%, option B 50%, option C 75%, option D 85%. Sodium sulfate Na2SO4 dissociates to give 2 Na plus and 1 SO4 minus 2 ion. Therefore, value of n is equals to 2 plus 1, that is 3. Now we will take the ratio. Osmotic pressure of glucose divided by osmotic pressure of sodium sulfate is equals to ICRT of glucose divided by ICRT of sodium sulfate. R and T are same, will get cancelled. Since both the solutions are isotonic in nature, therefore their osmotic pressures will be same. Thus the ratio will be 1. So 1 is equals to value of I for glucose. Since it does not dissociate, so its value will be 1. Concentration of glucose is given 0.01 divided by value of I for sodium sulfate. We have to find out concentration of sodium sulfate is given 0.004. Rearrange and find out value of I. I is equals to 0.01 divided by 0.004, that is 2.5. Formula of alpha. Alpha is equals to I minus 1 divided by n minus 1. Substitute the values and work out, you will get 0.75. Percentage of dissociation is equals to alpha into 100. That is 0.75 into 100 is equal to 75%. Thus option C is correct. When 20 gram of naphthoic acid C11H8O2 is dissolved in 50 gram of benzene, Kf for benzene 1.72 Kelvin kg per mole. The freezing point depression of 2 Kelvin is observed. The Van't Hoff factor I is option A 0.5, option B 1, option C 2, option D 3. Mass of solute W2 is given 20 gram. Molar mass of solute M2 for C11H8O2. Here we have 11 carbon atoms, for that 12 into 11, plus here we have 8 hydrogen atoms, for that 1 into 8, plus we have 2 oxygen atoms, for that 16 into 2. Together it becomes 172 gram per mole. Mass of solvent W1 is equals to 50 gram given. Kf is given 1.72 Kelvin kg per mole. Delta Tf is given 2 Kelvin. We have to find out value of I. Delta Tf is equals to I into Kf into W2 into 1000 divided by M2 W1. Therefore, I is equals to delta Tf into M2 into W1 divided by Kf W2 into 1000. Substitute the values and work out, you will get 0.5. Thus option A is correct.